Hello YouTube. I got a Troy built 2-cycle TB22 weed eater, and I was having a problem with it bogging down. So I came on and I looked at a couple of videos, and the first one I looked at, the gentleman said that he used a pen. So I went in the house and I found a pen, and I looked up and I found this Pilot G205, and the inside guts of it fits perfectly over the fuel adjuster screws, but somehow I end up losing that before I can get it adjusted correctly. So then I end up racking my brain on what I could use to get it adjusted, and I found this is a tubing that comes off of the television antennas, the old rabbit ears. This is the third link inside of it. I just took it and I put it up over it, and I tapped it down onto it. That keeps from damaging the screws on top of it. I've seen a lot of guys that they drill holes inside of it, or they take a chisel and notch holes inside of it, and this is basically to keep you off from doing that. A pin or the antenna off of the old rabbit ears. Now, I want to give thanks to the guy that told me about the pen, because he put me on the path. Now, one thing that nobody said was what positioning the adjustment had to be. So, I don't know if you all can see this. This low side, the low side is straight up. The high side is turned at an angle toward the low side. I took it and tried to put it on paper for you. I'm not an artist. One thing we was having it, even though it was bogging down, that kept spinning, and I knew something was wrong when that kept spinning. Low side has to be straight up. High side at an angle toward the low side. Give me just a second. I'm going to put this phone down and crank it right up for you. As you can see, that stopped spinning and it continues to run. If you like this video is helpful for you, please hit the like button. Thank you. YouTube, you're the greatest.